EQA is the name of the new entry-level model to the all-electric world of Mercedes EQ vehicles. A close relation of the GLA, it delivers all the thrilling characteristics of that vehicle, combined in this case with an efficient electric powertrain. As the all-electric sibling of the GLA, the EQA enjoys the same powerful overall proportions with short overhangs front and rear. The front section flows over the A-pillar into the visually compact greenhouse. The power domes hinted at in the bonnet, like the flush wheels, underscore the car's self-confident stance. Further distinctive features include the powerful shoulders of the bodywork and the coupe-like lines of the side windows. The pronounced contours of the sides add a certain dynamic elegance and offer an interesting interplay of light and shadow. The side and rear views are characterized by the muscular shoulders of the vehicle. The front wing boasts a badge in high-gloss black with EQA lettering in blue. The doors reach over the sills, thereby on the one hand improving ease of access, while at the same time keeping the door frames free of dirt and improving impact protection in the event of a side collision. All-round protective cladding adds structure to the overall proportions and emphasizes the vehicle's off-road character, as does the simulated under-ride guard at the front and rear. The multi-section design of the rear lights means that the opening of the load compartment could be made wider, thus facilitating loading, while the impression of width at the back is enhanced. The license plate has also been relocated to the bumper in typical Mercedes X style. Further details with a distinctly practical purpose include the integrated roof rails in polished aluminium. The reversing camera, provided as standard, is integrated into the automatically pivoting Mercedes-Benz Star. There are numerous pointers to the electric character of the EQA in the interior. Depending on the design and equipment line, these include a new style backlit trim element and rose gold colored decorative trim on the ventilation outlets, seats and the vehicle key. The Edition 1 special model additionally features perforated leather seats, through which blue fabric can be seen. The instruments, with their electric vehicle-specific displays, pick up on the same color scheme with rose gold-colored and blue highlights. The dashboard consists of a basic volume, which features optical cutouts in the driver and front passenger area. The cutout on the driver's side is dominated by the freestanding display unit, which is available in two variants. With two 7-inch displays or in a widescreen variant with two 10.25-inch displays. On the passenger side, the cutout area is finished with a trim element in what is called a spiral look. A spectacular effect, particularly at night, is delivered by the high-tech backlit version. The individual transparent sections of the surface are illuminated from behind with the aid of fiber optics. Depending on the equipment variant, the trim is also available in open-pore brown linostructure walnut wood, open-pore black lime wood or aluminium with light longitudinal grain. The round ventilation outlets, 5 of them in all, feature a high-quality turbine look with meticulously designed air guidance vanes. In the Edition 1 model, ventilation outlets in silver shadow are framed by a blue air control ring. The design of the leather seats in this special model is particularly complex. Behind the Neva gray leather is a blue fabric. Cyber cut technology has been used to meticulously perforate the leather in order to allow the blue backing to show through. As a further distinctive feature, one of the two vehicle keys with electric hard and Edition 1 is a rose gold colored or high gloss black design key. With Mercedes-Benz Charge, customers have access to what is currently the world's biggest charging network. This currently comprises more than 450,000 alternating current and direct current charging points across 31 countries. Mercedes-Benz Charge allows Mercedes EQ customers convenient use of the charging stations of various providers, while they also benefit from an integrated payment function with simple billing processes. The EQA is being launched as the EQA 250 with 190 horsepower and a range according of 300 miles. The double-decker lithium-ion battery, which sits as a structural element within the underbody of the vehicle, has a usable energy content of 66.5 kilowatt-hours. An asynchronous motor is used at the front axle. The electric motor, a fixed-ratio transmission with a differential, the cooling system and the power electronics form a highly integrated, very compact unit, the electric powertrain. The transmission ratio and gear wheels have been configured for the requirements of the front-wheel drive system. As standard, the EQA features a comfort suspension with steel springs, and all versions have a multi-link rear suspension. The option suspension with adaptive damping system offers the driver the possibility of choosing their preferred damping characteristics, thus enhancing their comfort noticeably. The EQA has a McPherson front suspension. The wheels are guided by control arms below each wheel center, the McPherson struts and 2 tie rods. The wishbone is forged from aluminium. This reduces the unsprung masses. The steering knuckles are made of cast aluminium. All EQA models have a sophisticated 4-link rear suspension. The 3 transverse links and 1 trailing arm at each rear wheel are configured for maximum driving stability, ride comfort and longitudinal dynamics. The rear axle is mounted on a subframe isolated from the body shell by rubber bushings, so that fewer vibrations are transferred from the suspension to the body. The level of equipment in the base model EQA is already at an elevated level. The standard specification includes such features as LED high-performance headlamps with adaptive high beam assist, the easy-pack tailgate with electrically operated opening and closing, 18-inch light alloy wheels, ambient lighting with 64 colors, a double cup holder, luxury seats with 4-way adjustable lumbar support, a reversing camera for added convenience, and a better overview when maneuvering, and a multifunction sport steering wheel in leather. Also included as standard are the intuitively operated infotainment system MBUX, and the navigation with electric intelligence system. The EQA features a range of intelligent driving assistance systems with cooperative driver support. The enhanced functions of the driving assistance package include, for example, the turning maneuver function, the emergency corridor function, the exit warning function alerting the driver to approaching cyclists or vehicles, and a warning when pedestrians are detected near zebra crossings. Included as standard on board are active lane keeping assist and active brake assist. In many situations, the purpose of the latter is to prevent a collision by autonomous braking, or to mitigate its consequences. The system is also able to brake for stationary vehicles and crossing pedestrians at typical city speeds, and even to prevent collisions, depending on the situation. In certain situations, the EQA is able to drive in partially automated mode. To do this, it keeps a close eye on the traffic situation. Improved camera and radar systems allow it to see far ahead. The EQA also uses map and navigation data for assistance functions. For example, Active Distance Assist Distronic as part of the optional driving assistance package is able to provide route-based support to the driver in numerous situations, and to predictively and conveniently adjust the speed, for example when approaching bends, junctions or roundabouts. In doing so, it interacts with ECO Assist. Also on board, for example, is Active Emergency Stop Assist. That's according to a Mercedes-Benz USA spokesperson. The EQA is still being considered for the US market.